Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. Hey, out on the driveway, Dodge V10. We love it. It's a great vehicle. But here's the thing. The air conditioner seemed a little weak. We had like an 88-degree day, and it just didn't seem to build ice cold air. So what we're going to do is we're going to check the amount of Freon that's in the system. And after we check that, maybe we'll add some. So stay tuned. We'll show you how to do it. It's a simple at-home thing. You just got to make sure you got the right gauges, and safety is always a plus here. Make sure you do it right. Don't forget, when you're on a My Two Good Hands video, use the link below to shop on Amazon and help support the channel. There's a small commission that comes to me. It costs you absolutely nothing. Thanks for your support. Opening the hood's the easy part. Can't do that? Don't touch this project. So here's the engine compartment. If you look down here, right here is where the low side hookup is. We believe that's the low side. We're going to take off the cap and we're going to go get our gauges and hook it up, fire this thing up, and show you what we got. But there's the hookup. Let's go get a can and hook it up there and check her out. So you don't need much for this job. I call it Freon, but actually they call it refrigerant now. Years ago, it used to be Freon. Got a can of that. We also have this gauge assembly. Now this can's empty along with this piece here. And what we do is we keep that on there to keep it clean. So we're just going to take this off. Just like that. It's off. And we are going to put the can on. These new cans, you don't pierce them like the old ones. It's actually got a valve in there. So you put this on here. And if you don't pull this handle, nothing comes out. So now we're going to hook this up to the vehicle. So here's your hookup. And the high and low are different sizes, so you can't really hook this on the wrong one. So if it doesn't fit on, so there we're on. And we can look at our gauge, and right now it says we're high, but we're not running. So we're going to go start this up and see what our gauges read when we start it up. You'll be able to see the gauge maybe here. No? Here. So you can see the gauge here. So we'll be able to start this thing up, turn the air on. Okay, we have turned the air on max, and there's our gauge, and you can see we are a little low when we're running. So what we're going to do is we're going to add this can, and I'm going to turn the thing towards me so I can see it. So I can see the gauge here, read it. I can take the can and turn it. Freon's going in. Can's totally empty. I've got another one I'm going to go get because it's still a little low on the gauge, and then we'll show you the gauge. And she's running a little bit below the green. So we're going to put some of this in. You'll feel the can get cold in your hand. Oh, there you can see the gauge. So after your gauge reads right, you put your hand in front of the vent inside, air on high. Yep, we got ice cold air, although it is only like 75 degrees out right now. But we got good ice cold air. You get to recover that. If you don't recover it, dirt will get in there, and you don't want dirt in your system. So cover that back up. Hey, thanks for watching another My Two Good Hands video out on the driveway here working on our Dodge. It's the 03 with a V10. we were charging up the air conditioner because it leaked down just a little bit. Now this happened over a 6-year period, so we're not too concerned, but we're going to put some in and see if it leaks down again. Then we'll have to put some leak detector in and figure it out.